similar size to a tea bag. 3 tips. Helps with the flavor. So in central, most African countries, you have 80% milk, 20% water, a big heap of sugar. You don't really need the sugar. Well, that's how they make it. You don't necessarily need the sugar because it's quite sweet having so much milk in it. And the reason they have so much milk is that the water is not always safe to drink. So they get a lot more substance out of the milk than they do out of the water. So now when I go for meetings to meet chiefs and people like that, they would give me tea, and it's really good, but it's filling. So you can imagine having 3 cups of tea, which is basically 3 cups of milk with a heap of sugar. You walk out of there and you want to run back to where you're staying. But it's very rich and it's very strong. I can't do it like that. So I only have a splash of milk. And then when you're done, should be around 3 minutes. Because it's from the earth, we can give it back to the earth.
Daddy, sorry.
And then you hang it up to dry and use it tomorrow morning. Oh, don't forget to stir. Get some of the sugar at the bottom. Oh, it's so good. So good. You save water. Oh, it's hot. Ah! Go away, fly.